So I'm gonna drain the oil. See if we can do it without leaks. You should warm it up, of course, but yeah, perfect. But I can't do that now. So we'll just drain it a bit more, but it was kind of ready for it. Pretty black. This is where it is, if you can't locate it.
While we're at it, why not check this? I've already loosened it. This is the drain hole. If it's too much, it will leak here. It was really tight, so I don't think this has been opened before. Yeah. Oops, so it's full. I don't want to replace it yet. It's a nice color, so it looks pretty fresh.
Let's put the oil plug back. It's a 17mm. I'm gonna use this motor oil from Biltema. Cheap, normal mineral oil. I don't gonna use synthetic oil. The tolerances are bad, they say, so it prefers simpler oil. Better to check often than get too much in it. Yeah, some on it. Not that much, and then dry it off. Let's check again. Yeah. Perfect.
So this is how much oil it is. It's less than a liter, maybe 7-8 deciliter.
This is a tubeless wheel by Kenda. This rim is for max 1800 Newton. So that's about 180 kilo. 180 kilo max on this wheel. And we got two of them, so you can figure it out. So clean it up and putting some oil on it just to make it a bit more easier to loosen up. I'm noticing a lot of vibration in the front here, and I don't know if you can see it, but we got a lot of play here. So, and the front wheel has been the rim has been sort of got hit somehow on the other side. So let's see if we can, what we can do about it. Something simple or just bad. So it turns nice. This is kind of moving a bit, definitely. See if I can show you. So you see? So this is the, you got a bearing here and you got a bearing here, probably it's the same as a bike, and this is the, oh, this is loose. Yeah, so that's good. Then we can tension it, hopefully, if the threads aren't broken. It has been in an accident somehow. You got a dent here. You can see it when you turn. So let's get a tool and adjust this. It's not gonna be hard. You still want it to move easily. Bearings never should be pressed hard together. So, but I'll get a tool so I can tighten this. I have adjusted the down the one lowest down, and now we don't have any play, and it still feels light. So I just tighten this by hand, you know. And now the upper one, let me show you. So I just tighten this by hand. And now this upper one, that one, will be tightened against this one. So I need two tools to hold it against each other when I pull this over the top one, tighten it so this can't move. But it still should be really easy to move, you know. Otherwise you get a lump in the bearings and so on, and they destroy pretty fast. Get the tools in here. It's gonna be tighten down and tighten it. Something like that. Still feels pretty light. No play. Yeah, something like that. Of course, if you want to be really serious, you remove these cables and so on. But I'm not that serious. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. This didn't work. I just believe that it was not pushed in. I pushed it in and it seems to be stuck now, the cable. So anyway, you see we got, when this goes down, when you sit on it, it goes down. And you see this latch is coming here, so this point can go down there with this feather, pushing it down and lock it. And then you pull the wire back and then this can go back up. So it stucks here when that goes down. Hope you get it. So I'm gonna put some grease on it, even it out, and then just put it back inside this, of course.
So just push it in so that it can move.
And now if I put it there, it gets stuck, and then I unlock it. Yeah, so it's working.